Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering my asthma symptoms and discovering how to breathe easy again. Asthma can be a real game changer, affecting every aspect of your life, from what you can do outside to how well you sleep at night. Did you know that over 25 million people in the US suffer from asthma? For those of us who live with it, managing asthma isn't just about avoiding triggers, it's about taking back control of our lives. I'm talking about being able to run, play, or just hang out with friends without constantly worrying about when the next attack might happen. That's what this is all about, finding your breath, finding your freedom. Living with asthma means dealing with a lot of challenges. There are the obvious ones like pollen, dust mites, and pet dander, but sometimes it's the less obvious triggers that can catch you off guard. Ever notice how stress or a sudden change in weather can leave you gasping for air? These symptoms, the wheezing, the shortness of breath, the coughing, they're not just uncomfortable, they can be downright scary. And it's not just the physical stuff. Asthma takes a mental toll too, always being on the lookout for your next attack. But here's the thing. While asthma is a part of your life, it doesn't have to define it. There are so many strategies out there for managing symptoms and taking control. Medication is a big part of it, of course. Understanding your meds, how to use them right, and when to take them. But lifestyle changes can make a huge difference too. Exercise, for example, can actually help strengthen your lungs and reduce symptoms over time. And then there's the power of avoiding triggers. Simple things like keeping your home clean, using hypoallergenic bedding, and steering clear of pollution. One of the biggest breakthroughs in asthma management is understanding the importance of a peak flow meter. It's this simple tool that helps you track your lung function daily, giving you a heads up on when an attack might be coming. Being proactive like this can be a total game changer. Another key insight is the role of diet and nutrition. Certain foods can help reduce inflammation and improve lung function. It's not about making massive changes, but making informed choices that can add up to big improvements over time. To recap, we've covered a lot of ground here. From understanding your triggers and symptoms to exploring effective management strategies like medication, lifestyle changes, and using tools like a peak flow meter. The bottom line is you have more control over your asthma than you might think. It's about taking small steps towards better management and not being afraid to seek help when you need it. If you're watching this, chances are you're dealing with asthma in some way, and I want to hear from you. Have you found any strategies that have really helped you manage your symptoms? What are your go-to tips for breathing easy? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. And if you're interested in more content on health and wellness, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got plenty of tips and insights to share.